Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here, and I'm at Mastermind Toys. So here in Canada, it's basically a place to get Papo figures. These are some of the newer ones that are out. The repainted Velociraptor, Chilisaurus, Acrotanthosaurus, and Pentaceratops. They've also got the older figure of baryonyx, which is super cool. I found out Chilisaurus is actually related to like albertosaurus, like carnivores. So look at it, it's so goofy looking, little fingered claws. It's really beautifully painted. I think this one's $17, which is a really good price. I have it already, of course, but see how much the raptors are. They've got the articulation, so they're a little bit more. But I do like the paint on the figures, hands and scales and the feet and whatnot. They do a really good job with highlighting those details. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.